Okay, so today we are going to solve 1413, which says minimum value to get positive step-by-step sum. Given an array of integer nums, you start with the initial positive value, start value. Okay. In each iteration, you calculate the step-by-step sum of the start value plus elements in nums from left to right. Return the minimum positive value of start value such that the step-by-step sum is never less than. Okay. So how is selecting the start value? We are given an array of nums. This somehow we are getting a start value, and we need to make sure that when we are adding the numbers, right, from left to right, the sum should never go below 1. That's the aim. I think we are supposed to select start value randomly. So basically you starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and seeing that. So here they start with 4, 4 minus 3, 1. That's valid. 1 plus 2, 3 is valid. 3 minus 3, 0. So this is not valid because it's going less than 1. Yeah, in the third iteration, you see it is less than, okay. Then you choose 5. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, so basically the catch here is to figure out the start value, and to run it across each start value is just bad. So basically you just need to make sure that the sum never goes to less than 1, right? So this is kind of like calculating the sum of all the values inside the nums. So basically what I'll do is I'll just calculate the sum. So minus 3, 2 is minus 1. This is minus 4. Then 4 is 0. And then 2. So the minimum value it can go to is minus 4, right? So once you have the min value, you'll just do a plus 1 to it, and you know that that's the minimum you can go to. Yeah, so for int num in nums, I'll just keep track of a min value. So int min will be basically a num sub 0. Let's just have integer dot max value in case if it's null. So for int num in nums, my min will be math dot min of min comma the num, right? Actually, I need a sum as well because this is just wrong. And sum is 0. Sum plus equal to num, and I'll take the minimum of the sums. Okay, so that way I know that the minimum will be when I reach here, which is minus 4, right? So what I need to do is return the start value would be basically the absolute of this min value plus 1. Because if I do basically min is minus 4, I can't return minus 4 plus 1. I need to do 4 plus 1, so that's 5. Yeah, this should work. And let's see. Okay, for this case, 1, 2, if I go right, sum will be 1, min will be 1, then it will go to 3, 1. Oh, I see. Okay, so actually min, okay, in this case, what's happening is when I do 1, 2, right, my min is some max value and it's going to get 1. And then, so that's basically the answer, but I'm returning 2 here because I assume that my number min is always negative. So I only do this when my min is less than 0. Then I do this. Oh, actually, wait, I don't need to do any of these. I can just do this as 1, right? And I can check if my min is equal to 1. Ooh, no, actually, I just need to check if my min is greater than 0. So if min is greater than 0, right, then I return min. Otherwise, I do this. Yeah, this looks good. Submit. Awesome. So yeah, this was pretty straightforward as well, apart from the fact that the start value is a little weird, but yeah. Time is again your O of n because I'll go over there once. And space will be O of 1 because I'm not really using any extra space. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.